If you know Pedibal, you know our flagship Navigata. It is and always will be our ultimate solution for everyday value and performance. But with design, development and continued improvement at the forefront of our business, we had a vision keeping us awake at night. So we asked ourselves, what if we discarded all of our previous principles to create a folding e-bike with absolutely minimal compromise? No, not a replacement for the Navigata, but a project to complement it with an uncompromising pursuit of the ideal simplistic ride. Here are 5 reasons why we developed the Pedibal Explora Carbon Fibre. Number 1, a different approach to carbon fibre. In the cycling world, carbon fibre is almost used just to save a few extra grams off. With this model, we chose a different route, and we look at the significant weight reduction on the carbon fibre frame and immediately reinvested it into a much larger battery. In fact, twice the size of those on similar bikes. We didn't just want to build a lighter bike, we wanted to build a limitless one, giving twice the range and completely eliminating range anxiety. Number 2, perfect weight and balance. A premium product should always feel effortless. So we focused on the centre of gravity, designing the Explorer so that weight rests perfectly in the middle of the frame, where it's complemented by the design handle triangle. You can comfortably lift the bike in just one hand. The physical weight though remains substantial enough to command the road, but the absolute balance makes it feel incredibly light, especially when carrying upstairs on and off public transport. Number 3, refined minimal maintenance. A carbon bike shouldn't involve greasy hands and squeaky chains, which is why we chose a premium belt drive for its silence, exceptional smooth ride, because we know our riders have different environments, resulting in the 2 distinct setups we created. A pure single gear motor for the swift city commuter and a 2-gear automatic shifting motor for those who seek effortless power on more challenging undulating terrains. Number 4, an intuitive ride. We insisted on a highly responsive torque sensor, coupled with the premium hydraulic brakes as an absolute standard on this model. This bike doesn't just pull you along, it reads your pedalling effort and amplifies it instantly. The ride is sharper, incredibly safe and feels entirely natural with the simplicity at its core. And finally, number 5, a masterclass in integration. Every component and feature was specifically chosen and integrated with a clear goal from the day one. From the front and rear brake lights and intercaled brake light, the full-length mudguards and bespoke rear pannier rack. Not forgetting the vibrant colour, smart display and the lightweight sports seat. All of this united by the striking 2-tone black finish that gives the Explorer a truly unparalleled premium aesthetic. We haven't created the Explorer to be a mass market bike, but developed it for riders who appreciate design, craftsmanship and seamlessly engineered for simplicity and practicality. To explore more information and the specifications on this limited project, visit us at pedibal.com. Thanks again for watching, keep in touch.